Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power square root of 200, or this x to the power x is equal to right side 2 to the power square root of 200. This can be written as square root of 100 times 2. This is 200, or x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power square root of 100 times 2. This can be written as square root of 100 times square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power square root of 100. This is 10, and this square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to right side 2 to the power 10 is equal to 5 times 2. This is 10, and this square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 5 times 2 square root of 2. This can be written as 2 to the power 5 and whole to the power this 2 square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 5 is 32, and this 2 square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to 32 can be written as square root of 32 and whole square. This square root and this square will cancel, so it will be 32, and this 2 square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to square root of 32 whole to the power 2 times 2 is 4, and this square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to square root of 32 and whole to the power 4 is 16, and square root this is 4, and this square root of 2, or x to the power x is equal to this square root of 32 whole to the power square root of 16 times square root of 2. It can be written as square root of 16 times 2, or this x to the power x is equal to square root of 32 and whole to the power square root of 16 times 2 is 32. Now, according to this formula, when a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. So, applying this, x as a to the power a is equal to square root of 32 as b, then b to the power b. So, this x is equal to square root of 32. So, the value of x is equal to square root of 32. So, this is the solution of this given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.